Hello NIWA watch fans. Right now we're gonna do NIWA Lunokhod unboxing. It got 4 screws here. I've got to remove it. It has a protective plastic. You can also remove it. And you can see a glossy top. So right here we've got watch, dock station, magnet, keychain to set up time, strap, and golden disc with QR code, which you can scan and you'll see a video setup instructions. Also, it has a USB cable here in the bottom of case. First of all, you need to charge your watch. Here is dock station, here is contacts. You need to put watch on a dock station, click it, and connect it. You see, red button is on. First charge will take about 5-6 hours, and when it's going to be completely charged, blue button will light on. When watch is completely charged, remove it from dock station. Take a strap, it's quick release strap. You see? And you can do a setup. To do a setup, you're gonna need magnet keychain. First of all, you need to choose a speed of showing time. Put magnet on the left side and you'll see 2 bulbs are blinking. This is the fastest speed, medium speed, and low speed of showing time. I advise you to choose a medium one first. And to set it up, you need to put magnet on the right side. It should blink. So speed of showing time is set it up, and right now you can set up time. Click a magnet on the right side, click once, and you'll see it's gonna be 24 or 12-hour mode. Right now it's 24-hour mode, and you can choose a 12 or 24. We're gonna choose 24-hour mode, and then click on the right side one more time. You see 2 bulbs are blinking. Right now we're setting up hours. It's 14 hour right now. Let's do 17. Click once, second and third time. You see? Then when you set up hours, click on the right side. Right now we're gonna set up minutes. It's on the left side, tenths of minutes. Let's say 30, 40, 50, 0. Let's do 15 minutes. 0 here, click on the right side and set up right side 4, 5, 15 minutes. And right here, seconds are going. You can set up them to 0. It's 0, 0. Click on the right side again, and you see it's 45 showing. It's right now we're gonna need to set up an angle. Please do it more vertical, about 70-75 degrees, and click on the left side. 2 bulbs should blink. Then click on the right side. We did a setup of time and angle. One more time.